Hi friends, today we are looking forward on the uh, ratio proportion part, which is important in CSAT for UPSC. So today we'll be looking into some of the tricks which we'll be defining, or which I will be showing you how to solve some questions with respect to the ratio and proportion questions. For example, like we see in our questions here. For example, if you have a question like this: in a 30-liter mixture of milk and water, which are in the ratio of 7:3, how much water is to be added so that new ratio will become 7:4? How much is? We have 30 liter. So we have 30 liters of mixture. Originally we have milk is to water. Original ratio was in 7:3, and the new ratio we want 7:4. So how much water is to be added to make this ratio 7:4? The question is this. Here we are seeing that total parts of the original mixture are 7 and 3. 7 and 3 total parts, how much? We have 7 10 parts. So 10 parts are equal to 30 liters, because originally we have 30 liter mixture. So 10 parts 30 liters. So 1 part will be equal to 3 liters. Okay. Now we want that mixture should be such that water should be added in such a manner that the new ratio will become 7:4. So in such type of question, we have to fix the ratio of milk, or we have to fix the parts of the milk in our mixture. For example, in original mixture, the milk was of 7 parts, and in the new mixture milk was also of 7 parts. So it is a fixed kind of parts with respect to the milk. The only variable here is water, which is going from 3 parts to 4 parts. So what is the difference here is 1 part, and we have calculated that 1 part is equal to 3 liter. So we got our answer as if we add 3 liters of water in the original mixture, we'll have the ratio of milk is to water in the ratio 7:4. This is the final answer. See, it's so easy and quick. If you don't understand it, I don't think so that you don't understand such a simple trick. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Similar question like this. We have a 50 liter of mixture, 50 liters of mixture, milk and water in the ratio. Milk and water in the ratio. Original ratio was 2:3, and what we have asked that how much water is to be added so that the new ratio will become 2:5. So new ratio is 2:5. So we see that, as we told earlier in earlier question also, that we have to fix this milk wala part. So we find that in original mixture there are 2 parts, in new mixture there are also 2 parts. So it is a fixed quantity. The only variable is water, which we also need, because the question asks how much water is to be added. So it goes from 3 to 5. So what is the difference? 2 parts. And if we see the original mixture is 50 liters, so in the original mixture how many parts are there? Total 5 parts are there, which is equal to 50 liters. So 1 part is equal to 10 liters, and 2 parts is equal to 20 liters. This is our the answer, that if we add 20 liters in the mixture, then we get the new ratio in the form of 2:5. See, it's so easy and quick. Similarly, we see the next question. Sorry. In a 30 liter of mixture, we have 30 liter of mixture, milk and water. Originally ratio is 7:3. How much water is to be added so that the new ratio will become 3:7? New ratio is 3:7. So here, what is the variable? Water, because water is to be added. So water is variable and we have to fix the milk. It should be fixed. But we see that in the original mixture there are 7 parts of milk, and the new mixture there are 3 parts of the milk. So we have to equate them, or we have to make them equal. For making them equal, we need to multiply this by 3 and this by 7. So original modified mixture ratio will be 21:9, and new modified ratio will be 21:49. So here we see that the milk is fixed, like there are 21 parts for the milk in original modified, and there are 21 parts for the milk in new modified ratios. The only variable is water, which is going from 9 to 49. The difference is 40 parts. And in earlier questions we were taking these parts to equate them with the total quantity, but in this type of question where we have modified original and modified new ratios, we will equate these parts with the original mixture quantity. So how much parts are there? 30 parts, which are equal to 30 liters. So we get 1 part is equals to 1 liter, and we have identified, or we have found it that there are 40 part difference of water from the original modified and the new modified. So 40 parts is equals to 40 liters. As 1 part is equal to 1 liter, so 40 parts is equal to 40 liters. This is our answer. See, this is so easy and quick. Next question. In a mixture containing milk and water in the ratio is 9:4. So we have milk is to water, originally 9:4. Here we have not find any quantity. Original quantity of the mixture, we don't find any quantity. But what we have is the another piece of information, like on adding 4 liters of water in the new ratio, we have added 4 liters of water, and the new ratio will become 3:2. So we need to find what is the original quantity. In such type of earlier we were finding how much water is to be added in the original quantity, but here we have given this information that we have added 4 liters of water to make the ratio as 3:2. So we need to find the original quantity. This is also same. We have to solve this question also in a similar manner as we have done earlier. For example, what is the variable here? Water is the variable. And what should be the fixed quantity or fixed term? Milk is fixed. So we need to equate all these things. We need to make equal parts in original as well as new ratios, equal parts of milk. So here we have 9 parts in original mixture, and in new ratio there are 3 parts. So we will multiply it by 3. We get the new modified ratio as 3 3 the 9 and 3 to the 6. So milk is 9 parts in original, milk is 9 parts in the new modified ratio. The only variable is water, which is going from 4 to 6. The difference is 2 parts, and we know that 4 liters of water is added, means the difference is 2 parts. 2 parts is equals to 4 liters. 1 part is equals to 2 liters, and we need to identify what is the quantity, original quantity. So how we will get? Simple, we will get parts into liter. Okay. So originally there are 9 and 4. 9:4 means how many parts are there? There are 13 parts, and 13 into 2 liters, because 1 part is 2 liters, so 13 part is equals to 26 liters. This is our answer. See, this is so easy and quick to solve. Hope you like this video. Thank you guys, and all the best. Thank you.